Okay, hello. Yeah, let's try this. I have my youngest right next to me here, but we'll try it because I've been playing around with this extension because I had two colleagues who rebases their PRs, so they have like multiple commits, and then before they actually ask for review, they do this rebase, and they use the interactive rebasing terminal. And actually previously I built like a npm package based accessible tool for rebasing PRs that never, yeah, nothing really happened to it. But now I thought maybe we could try to use a VSCode extension to do the same thing. And I'm just using the GitHub Copilot because I don't have time or energy to actually implement the whole thing and research everything. So yeah, we're just going to try to do that. And I actually have something running here. So this is the extension running, and currently it has an activity bar item, and when I click it, it goes and grabs the current branch, or if there isn't a branch, if there isn't a GitHub repository, it says that there's no repository. What I tried to implement the last time was to actually show if it is the default branch, but for some reason it doesn't do that. So what we're gonna do is just try to figure out why that doesn't work. And I have this pretty nice flow now because I can just save it. I have the extension here, and oh, by the way, should I make it a little bit bigger maybe? Let's see, let's do this. And I can just refresh it, and then I should get the logs here. Oh yeah, I think maybe I know why. Well, it doesn't have any refs, so I guess that's why this logic doesn't work. But it only ran once, which I find a bit curious. So yeah, but we're refreshing every time the state changes. Oh, of course, it only runs once because it returns early. Yeah, okay, so I'm just going to continue asking it. So the refs seems to be empty. This is the thing I don't like about Copilot currently, is that in this mode I'm asking it to make changes, but currently I don't really want it to make changes. I want to ask it why it thinks it's empty. So either you have to like do this reasoning, or you have to make code changes, which I wish could be the same thing really. Anyways, oh, by the way, I'm gonna add, I know what I was missing. I have the new Mac Mini, and I haven't set up the thing here. Let's see. I want to see, how do I see myself? Oh shit, I have to be careful now so I don't break it. How the overlays? I want to see, where is the thing? There's supposed to be when I like oh, let's see. There we go. Oh, there we go. Oh wait, I have to do this. There we go. Like when oh, there it is. It's down in the corner. Okay, now we're good. Okay, so the refs seems to be so the refs is an empty array. Any way to still you know why? any way to still detect the fault branch? Let's see what it says. Because they need to be fetched first. Oh, interesting. Let's see what it does. Let's just accept it. Oh, interesting. Why is this so upstream? Oh, interesting. What does it say? It's a string.
Pappa,
Ja?
skal du åpne?
Ja.
Jeg får denne.
Jeg tror den der er kvitteringen.
Jeg får denne. Jeg skal ha den.
Okay, let's see what happens now. I'll refresh it. Loading. Yeah, no, it's still not able to do it. Let's see. Did it even get? Yeah, because there's no refs default branch. Yeah. Let's see if it found the upstream console.log upstream. This is kind of important because you don't want to allow for this rebasing to happen on the default branch, because you're basically changing Git history, right? Let's see. Or didn't I? Yeah. Yeah. So that seemed to have failed. I'm tempted to just use main here, or use the common defaults and just not check the. Why isn't this like undefined? Does it throw? If it's, that's interesting. I'm gonna check checking branch. I just have to know that it's actually running this. Let's see. Checking branch. Gubrovska. Oh, it doesn't seem to resolve. That's weird. Okay. Weird. Init.default branch config never seems to resolve. Let's try a different approach using the remote head reference. I'm no Git person, which is why oh, interesting. Which is why I'm building this in the first place, because it makes a lot of sense to me to clean up PRs, but it's just too complicated, I think. Yeah, exec doesn't exist. Let's see what happens. I guess I'll get an error. Well, oh, use get refs. Interesting. Oh, let's try this. Repo get refs. Okay, let's just explore this. Maybe we have to implement this ourselves. And then repo get refs is this. Wait, what was it? API repository get refs. Oh, oh, god damn it. What does it need? Does it need Ugh. I have no idea. Filter heads? No. Pattern? Count? What the fuck? Yeah, I have no idea about this stuff. Yeah. So repo exec. But I want to see what. Okay, I want to check something. Repo state refs. Because now we did the fetch there, so maybe that actually fixes it. No, it's still empty. Why aren't there any refs? That's weird, right? Does not exist. It's not. Does that exist? Yeah, maybe we'll get stuck with this for the whole session. Doesn't seem to have that either. Well, what you gonna do when you have no idea what you're doing? Kind of annoying that it removes my. Yeah. Excuse the glitch in my. Let's see. There we go. Yeah, reading. Yeah, undefined. There is no Git reference on repo either. But maybe like we can just check for main or master. Well, I don't want to get stuck on this. Let's give it one more chance. Accept. You know, let us simply just check if the branch name is main or master. No need to verify that either of these is the default branch. We'll make that assumption. Okay, cool. Because the next thing we're gonna try is, of course, see what happens if I change the branch, if it updates, and then yeah, nice main default. And then what we're gonna do is when we're not on the default branch, we're gonna list the commits on the branch, like the specific commit, like not the history of where the branch started, but the actual history of the branch. And see if it can figure that out. Check out demo thingy. Oh, interesting. Why didn't it update? I thought it would only change state. When the branch of the current workspace changes, the target does not There is nothing called on did change head. It would be nice though. On did change. But don't I? Oh, okay. So let's just do on did change. Oh, accept, save, and I guess we can check out main first. And let's refresh. And then git check out demo thingy. What's that the name of it? Huh. That sucks. That sucks. Oh, look at, I already have all the change. That sucks. Do I have to have my own? There is no on did change head, and I already have a repo state on did change listener, but nothing happens. I can check if it actually runs first. Console log. Oh my god. Did change. Just, I'm curious, does it actually show the... Yeah, it shows demo thingy. There's absolutely no event on this. On did change dates. That sucks. That sucks. Happens when I change the branch. That sucks. What? Yeah, let's see what it says. That's the right time and check what change we get. We should also share. Oh, that's kind of cool. Okay, let's see. Boop. So, did change. Repository state change. Git checkout demo thingy. Oh, wait, what the French? Why did it suddenly work now? Did I forget to save it, maybe? Or subscribe to repository? That's weird. That's very weird. Whatever, it worked. What I don't quite on did open repository. Subscribe to Oh, subscribe to existing repositories. Oh, yeah. Interesting. Okay, that worked. That's funny to me though, that it's suddenly. Oh. Yeah. Okay. Cool. When showing, when not showing, when showing other branches than default, list any commits created on the branch. Note that you do not show history from the what do you call it? Source branch? Only the new commits made on the branch. I'm very curious what it's gonna do now, because this is complicated. This is UI and all kinds of stuff. To show commits when not on the file, add help method to get unique commits for current branch, or click 3 item display to show commit details. Keep branch name in title, but show commits as children. Yes. Do that, please. Accept. Oh, look at this. Oh, here it's making an assumption about it being main, which we need to change. But yeah, there's some. Oh, so it's only. Yeah, let's just try it first. Let's see what happens. And like it shouldn't really show anything here, because we don't have anything, but we can make a change. Or let's, yeah, look at this. It's not very good, is it? Okay, let's see. Result commits. That's oh. So I think the first thing we're gonna do is, yeah, so it failed on this. Let's gonna, does it show that failed to? Where's the log? Oh, it's this one, right? Yes, I guess it isn't wrong. Range. Oh yeah. Okay, yeah. So range should rather be let me give it an example. Could you change the range on logging commits to be of the string format? Maybe I could do it myself, but yeah. Oh, well, that's not what I meant, but okay. No, that's not what I meant. Let's rather do. I have no idea if this actually works. Can you like do this? Branch? I don't know. And ref? Oh. Yeah, let's just try this. Let's see what happens. And the result wasn't anything, so let's just do this, and then we're gonna actually create a commit, and then let's see if we have something in there. So I'm gonna do a change here. Let's just do I don't know, readme change. Let's remove this. Let's see. So git status, git add, git commit, remove beta. Oh, look at that. It actually appeared. That's pretty cool. Huh. That's really nice. So interesting. That's really cool. And yeah, so the first rebasing we're gonna allow for is like I think the biggest issue here is like actually force pushing, but we're gonna have a button for it. Okay. Let's just start a new thread here because we are doing new stuff. I would like, do we have an example of like, oh yeah, nice. We have action items. I'm not sure what these are called. I'm just gonna tell it to, I'm just gonna tell it to add a button. I would like a button which moves the extension into rebase mode. Or do I? No, I think I want to implicitly. Well, you know what? I would like a button which moves the extension into rebase mode. This button should be disabled if there are any local changes on the branch. Let's see. Let's see. Just gonna accept it. I don't care. Why are you complaining? Type. Oh, it's just a. Oh yeah, it should be a commit item, right? Why are you complaining? String or commit item? What is causing it to think that this is implements tree data provide? Oh, does it need to be string or? Oh, there we go. What were we doing? Oh, let's look at the button. Where the hell is the button? VSCode, we're gonna create status bar item. Isn't that the weird thing? State. Oh, look at that. Please move the button from the status bar and show it next to the title. I forgot to put on some music. Let's see now. Do we have? Oh. It's oh, let's close it. Has local changes. Where do we call this? Can rebase. What did we do? I have a feeling it's this thing. Promise not handle within 1 second. Reading length. Okay, I'm gonna do false there, and then we're gonna do console.log status. I would imagine like you got that status on the state. Well, maybe we need to figure out this one on our own. Let's see. Oh, it's still going in circles. Okay, let's remove this. Let's save it. Let's refresh. I have a feeling it's the status thing that caused it to go in circles, and it was. Okay, so we're gonna rather gonna look at this state thing. Where is it? Rather than know oh my god. How does it get access to the... Okay, let's just look at console.log repo state. Is there no status? Yeah, I think like you would rather look at these things like length, repo.state, working tree changes. Yeah, let's look at that one. Oh, let's do this. Oh, yeah, it returns 0, but if I change, yeah, it changes to 1, right? But then there's other like states of, like I might add this. I wonder what happens if I do git add. Yeah, and now it's 0 again, but that isn't true. So like you can't rebase in this state. But maybe that's a different untracked changes, working tree changes. I wonder if the actual Git extension has support for rebasing. Maybe it does, and I'm just building something completely unnecessary. Yeah, I don't know. Oh, sorry. How would I know? Okay, so what we're gonna do is we're gonna has local changes, and we're gonna do boolean. We're gonna do this instead, and it's not a promise. I don't need it to be a promise. Do this, and I think we can do typing on this, right? Where's the repo? Don't we have repository? Yeah, I just copy the typing of the extension, like just copy the file. I'm not sure how to access it in any other way. Okay, because now we're kind of helping the AI a little bit. So now we can, I think we can like bring back the thing. I wonder where the button is. State changed repo. This has local changes. I want to take a look at that. Okay, so if it doesn't have local changes, it should show this can rebase. Oh. I don't think it knows how to actually add. Like, what are these here? What are these things? Oh, it's not. Oh, sorry. Okay. What is this thing? Like, I don't know the terminology even of an extension. Okay, so we're gonna ask it. Could you add a section to the side, to the sidebar, which can show the branch and also have the rebase button? The title of the sidebar should just be nice PR. Is it a header item? Is that a special thing? No, it's also interesting, like doing these streams and working with AI. Like, it makes streaming less valuable, right? Because you want to watch someone who knows what they're doing and can explain why things work the way they do and talk about their experiences and stuff like that. This is actually probably really, really boring. But to me personally, this is way more valuable than doing things I know, which is interesting. Okay, so this is weird. Like, doesn't it know how to add a freaking, what is this thing called? Oh, let's go to VSCode extension UI UX guidelines. Primary sidebar, panel, status bar, items, view, sidebar, toolbar, panel, toolbar. Quick pick, notifications, web views, context menus. Ooh, I guess it would be yeah, I want actions. So I want a view toolbar instead, where the rebase button is an action. I think that's what I want. Maybe that's what I want. Let's see. It's really cool that it finds the package. Like, it doesn't seem surprising, but it's able to actually understand when it needs to go and find other files. It doesn't only use my selected working set. Should have chosen an extension that already had this. I had a very, very basic starting point. And it's very limited, like training data on VS Code extensions compared to any other kinds of coding. So, okay, accept, and I guess we need to say that one as well. Yeah, I'm curious what it's going to do now. Oh, look at this. Oh, nice. It actually, oh, cool. Toggle rebase mode. Okay, and it says it can do it. Is it reset? Yeah. But now this should have been disabled. Oh, with local changes. Okay, it just doesn't show as disabled. That's fine. Ja. Ja, eller jeg sitter jo her helt What's rough about weekends having a 4-year-old is that they're not old enough to be on their own. They need constant attention unless they play with other kids. But still, they're not old enough to like go to other kids on their own. So it's very hard to find time to do anything on your own, which kind of sucks. But like 1 more year now, and he'll be running over to friends. So doing that. Invalid view badge. Okay, whatever. Yeah, but the mood downstairs is getting pretty bad, so I guess I'll have to jump out. But what's kind of cool is that we got pretty far. Because what I want to do next is basically allow you to rename commits and then try that as the first rebase thing. So when you go into commit mode, you should it should change the actions there. So it should show like well, some kind of confirm. And I think we should actually do the force push, because you can do a force push. I learned that there's a force push with lease, which makes sure that it only does a force push if you're overriding the exact history you have. So no other commits were pushed in between, which is nice. So yeah, the point is I want to make this as accessible as possible, and we're gonna try to do drag and drop here to change. Oh my freaking god! Change the order of things, and then we'll see how far we'll take it. Anyways, cool. Again, I might not actually stream this because I don't think it's fun. Like if you happen to be want to comment on that, that would be awesome. Because I'm really reflecting on how my time and efforts are changing in this world of AI. Like there's certain things that doesn't make any sense anymore. Like I think you'll get way more value exploring concepts just using AI and build something on your own instead of like listening to, I don't know. No, that's not true. But yeah, I'm reflecting on it. Anyways, have a nice week. Bye bye.